Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking top sirloin steak. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have the top sirloin steak here. We have butter, garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, and we have thyme. This recipe is so easy and quick to follow, and this top sirloin steak is easy to cook. So we will, in cooking this steak, there are two ways of testing whether it's still rare, medium rare, medium well, or well done. Okay, there are two tests. You have your fingers here. We're gonna do like two way of testing it. Okay, put your thumb and index finger together and press the muscle here. So this is rare. Okay, when you press the meat, and this one, it's the same, it's rare. Okay, so the middle finger and the thumb, so it's a little bit firmer now, which is medium rare. Okay, and now the ring finger and the thumb is getting harder, see? So meaning this is medium well. And when you do the baby finger and the thumb, oh, it's getting harder. It's real hard. So I mean to say it's well done. The meat, when it's cooked too much, you know, it's getting firmer and getting harder. So that's I don't eat really well done, because the meat is getting tougher. So the other test is the minutes. Okay, so our thumb and index finger, that's 2 minutes. Middle finger, 3 minutes. And ring finger, 4 minutes. And this small finger or baby finger is 5 minutes. Meaning you can cook each side of the steak for 5 minutes, which is well done, 4 minutes, which is medium well, 3 minutes, which is medium rare, and rare is 2 minutes. So both sides you can time it when you're cooking. So that's how we cook steak. So we will proceed to cooking now. All right. We will put salt and pepper on each side of the steak. Put oil first. A little bit of oil. Okay. All right. And then sprinkle salt. All right. We're gonna do this for all the meat. And then pepper. Okay. We're gonna do this both sides before we use our skillet, and just spread it. Okay. Let the meat absorb it. Okay. And we're gonna turn it over, and we're gonna do it again. So this is the other side. Okay, let's spread it and let the meat absorb the seasoning. All right, and then we're gonna warm up the skillet. and we think we're gonna cook this. Now here's our cast iron skillet. It's hot now. We're gonna put a little bit of oil here. Okay, just a little bit of oil. It's a real piece of real nice piece of skillet here. Now we're gonna put our steak in, and for medium rare it will take 4 minutes inside. There you go. We're gonna start timing it. Now it's already 5 minutes on the first side. Now we're gonna turn this over. I'm gonna flip this over. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. And there you go. Alright. Wow. Nice. Alright. And then we'll put our garlic and our butter. So we're gonna cook this again for the next 5 minutes. Wow, it smells so good. And we're gonna put our thyme. A little bit of thyme here. Okay. All right. Here's the finished product. Top sirloin steak with baked potatoes. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.